Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? On this video, we will try to solve some hard SAT math questions which are taken from Bluebook practice tests. So, the first question that we should see would be this one, which is in the given equation k and n are constants and n is greater than 1. The equation has no solution. What is the value of k? So basically, they are asking from us to find the value of k. And right now I will show the steps. So basically it is really easy, and the first step that we should do is just remembering whenever they ask no solution, we have to remember that slopes should be same in both equations. And the second step that we should do is opening up the equation and rewriting them again. So which will be 2kx minus 2n is equal to minus 28 over 15x and minus 36 over 19. And here, one interesting thing is that we can ignore minus 2n and minus 36 over 19. Why? Because as I said before, we have to work with slopes. And because we have to work with slopes, we can also subtract x's from both sides. And we will have 2k is equal to 28, which is minus 15 over minus 15. Minus 28 over 15. Then k would be equal to minus 28 over 15 times 1 over 2. And we can subtract here 2 and minus 28, which would be minus 14. And the final answer would be minus 14 over 15. As you can see, we can find the answer of this equation by doing these steps. So if you like this video, please subscribe and see other videos of mine which I am posting on my YouTube channel.